Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Josh. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the mid-mount mower onto the Bobcat CT1025 series tractors. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pin these wheels sideways. And by doing that, I can take this pin out and pin it sideways here. And the reason for doing this, you'll see in a minute, but it'll keep my mower deck from sliding as I'm driving up over the deck. Thing to this one. Alright, and then the next thing I'm going to do is hook up the front linkage, pull these spring-loaded pins out, make sure they're seated in all the way. And the next thing, I'm going to drop down the 3-point here, pull the mower back. At this point, I'm going to undo these pins so I can move the mower around as I need to. Go to the other side. There she goes. And the last step is hooking up the PTO shaft. Alright guys, to rerun on taking this mower back off of the tractor, the first step I usually do is I'll walk around to the right side of the tractor, reach underneath and just grab that locking collar and pull the PTO shaft off. The next thing I do is I'll drop this the mid-mount mower, I'll drop it all the way down to the ground. I'll unlock this pin and the other pin on the other side, and then come up front and unlock the 2 pins up front. And then again, I will lock the wheels in the crossways position. That way, when I'm driving back over the deck, the mower's not going to move around too much. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on how to mount up the mid-mount mower. If you haven't checked out our other YouTube videos on how to install the front end loader or the front snow blower, check them out in the link above.